He's never left you. You just got to believe and trust. Trust in him. He'll get you through it. Whatever it may be. Whatever it may be, just trust in him. And don't be a parrot. Don't be a parrot. Don't copy somebody else. Don't. You want to copy somebody? Copy Jesus. Jesus said to follow him. So follow him. Follow him. Read your word. It's not absurd. No, 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 no. Love the truth. Love the truth. Because the truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. His name is